Hey, look, if you are interested and committed to building a multiple six-figure business, check out my workshop that I just recorded called Progreda Workshop, How to Build a Multiple Six-Figure Business Through Social Media. I break down the steps, the processes on how to generate leads, how to follow up with sales appointments, and how to book appointments with pre-qualified customers right on your calendar. Get organized, get customers, and most importantly, get paid. Having a growing team, growing enterprise. And what we found for those businesses, at the top of the funnel, they were constantly receiving new leads and new sales opportunities while they were sleeping. Without further ado, let's get the ball started and let's build a multiple six-figure business. Once again, that's progreda.com/workshop.